This adorable parrot's showing off his smarts. He knows quite some tricks. Like riding this adorable little bike. Or going down the slide like a pro. Can even collect these tiny buckets. We always knew parrots were smart, but this one right here is off the charts. Simply doesn't stop amazing us. This is simply so fascinating. This bird is an absolute genius. It can do a ton of incredible things that have us simply speechless. This bird's smartness is on a whole new level. What? He can even play bowling. This is way beyond amazing. Our little friend is about to take on some serious errands. This video totally blew our minds and made us go gaga for parrots all over again. We can't believe our eyes as those colorful birds are stealing our hearts all over again. Hope you had fun watching this video too.
Muy malas intenciones. Le atinaste a la cazuela. Me la rompes y me la pagas. Salgas de aquí porque nomás vienes a hacer pura travesura. Aquí juega. Ay, dámela. No, sácate, 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 sácate. A ver, a ver, a ver. Fuera, 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 fuera.